Hi, my name is Vicky Tsai. I'm the founder of Tatcha, and I'm here with one of my best friends, Daniel Martin.
Hey guys.
We are so excited to share the new serum stick with you. So the reason that we call it the serum stick is because it's actually a serum that's so concentrated that it's actually in solid form. And the reason we wanted to do this is because every now and then you want to really concentrate exactly where you're getting your treatment. It's made out of 80% squalane and also Japanese lemon balm, which in Japan represents caring for others, and its leaf is shaped like a little heart. But I love it because it makes all of my worry lines go away.
It's a great refresher. It feels really good when you put it on.
Exactly.
So, put it on.
So Daniel has no lines and wrinkles because he is a worry-free person, but let's say that he did. Here, for your little worry lines on your forehead. How's it feel, by the way?
It feels really good. I put this in the fridge and put it on afterwards.
Oh, I love that. So it's cooling.
Yeah.
I love that.
If I want to pop this highlight here, I'll go over it. The great thing that I found is that it doesn't interrupt the makeup.
It's like that beautiful natural glow.
Right.
And that's actually why we call it a treatment and touch-up stick, because it's actually meant to be a concentrated serum. In fact, in our clinical studies, after 2 weeks, 100% of women saw an improvement in the dryness of their skin. So whether it's the worry lines, the fine lines and wrinkles from dehydration, gone 100%. In fact, we had that demo, as you were saying.
Oh yeah. What we're gonna do is, just to show you, I don't know if you can see, I'm putting a little bit on my hand before concealer. And say if you're into using like a stick concealer or a more drier concealer, full coverage concealer.
Yep.
This will actually give you a bit more slip of the application, but it doesn't interrupt the coverage, which is really nice. So it ends
up going on more like skin.
Yeah.
And you know what I find? I think it makes the payoff pop more, because instead of the pigments kind of seeping down into the lines and wrinkles, it stays up at the surface. It's just brighter and you use less makeup.
Right.
So I hope that you love the serum stick as much as we do.
We love it. You'll love it too.
Enjoy.